neighbor Armando always has the tools that I need. So we're gonna give this a try. Sweet. So we get good rubber down here now. And we'll try to remove yeah, buddy. In business. So we are all ready to paint. Paint doesn't arrive until Monday, so when I do get the paint, I'll go over it once more with some degreaser, wipe it down real well, and then we'll paint it. I mean, it's not bad the way it is, you know, but it does have chips and dings and things like that, that if I can avoid when I'm putting them in the car, then I'll do that. So here's the intake. All the little pieces there. And this side. I'll probably take this off and cover up the oil pumps or the oil filter spot right there. But yeah. Super cool. I'm excited to get some paint on it. This is 2.2 light coat. 10 minutes. And then it says a medium wet coat. All right, coat number 2. That's just a fairly light coat. And then next one's supposed to be a medium wet after 10 minutes. Okay, just so you can see the difference, this is the motor. I've got it all taped off and ready to go, ready to be painted. This is the intake manifold that I just painted. Definitely a lot brighter, more gloss. This is kind of dull, faded. Yeah, so that's what we're going for. This is what I did yesterday. Nothing like a fresh coat of paint on the engine. So today I'm gonna start putting some parts back on the engine. It's all been repainted, everything cleaned up and painted, and I need some more room in my storage over there, so we're gonna put some parts back on the engine. Once I get all this on, then I'll get an engine hoist, take it off the engine stand, put on the flywheel, the bell housing, the starter, and go from there. But we're gonna actually try to dry fire this on the ground before it's put in to the car itself. So what I mean by dry fire, I don't mean dry fire, I mean actually try to start it up on the ground. I'm gonna build a jig for the engine to sit on out of wood, and then yeah, we'll fire it up. So let's get started.